Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is May 24th. I'm recording this, and we have Memorial Day weekend coming up. I hope everybody has a good 3-day weekend. Remember, the market's going to be closed on Monday, and we over here at Simpler Trading are running some discounts. We have 30% off most everything in the store. So if you guys are ever looking to get into one of our memberships, our trading rooms, courses, indicators, you name it, come check it out, see what you can find, and use the code MEMO30. All right, so, today was a pretty big down day, pretty wide-ranging. Not everything got knocked down, but, I kind of like, on days like this, I like to take a little bit of context and look at things. For example, the NASDAQ, yes, a little bit overbought. You can see we've got price nearing the weekly third ATR, and it has been on a pretty good streak. In fact, we can see that even on the daily chart, we did reach an upper boundary area, but for now, we could really only call this overbought and that this is a typical pullback of some sort. Now, could it get worse? Sure. How far down will it go? We don't know. But, I'm looking at something like this and saying, hey, let's see. If we look at the higher time frames, then, we just need to look at this and say, for the most part, as long as price is staying above the monthly 10, we're okay. Of course, there were some bigger ones back in, 2015. And then we also have 2018, and then our recent COVID something. So the only thing that I'm kind of looking at now is just wondering about this gap between price and the monthly 10. How will price resolve it, and when will it resolve it? So the bigger picture is still intact, and the other thing I kind of look at is if we look at the IWM, I was getting real concerned about this, especially right here, looking like price was going to run into the underside of the downtrending daily 50 and looked like it was going to break lower. But you know what? It has been going sideways for an entire year, and now we are back over the daily 50. So I have to kind of rethink my overall thing until something else changes. It looks like this might actually still kind of hang around here, and maybe it's going to actually move up a little bit. So we're still a little bit in limbo, but overall indexes are pretty good. And when the IWM seemingly had its opportunity to break lower, it didn't. And that might be something that we need to pay attention to. All right, guys, well, thanks again, and we'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.